Like any other beauty blogger, I actually want to do a little bit of flexing and show you what I got at the Sephora VIB sale. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to do a little unboxing. As you might or might not know, the Sephora VIB sale was not really that long time ago, and for instance I just wanted to share with you what I got. Everything is in this little box inside. I already took the liberty to take almost every single item out of their boxes, so that way you can just throw it out and just keep it life going. The first item is this little mirror right here. I decided to exchange my points with the Sephora VIB. In reality it cost me like 250 points, which is kind of expensive for a little mirror like this, but I needed a little pocket mirror because sometimes I forget to put on some mascara or some lipstick when I'm on the go. The second one is again another item that I exchanged it from the points that you get at Sephora, and that is this mini NARS liquid lipstick. This is on the shade American Women. If we swatch it up, it looks a little bit like this. This is a really cute one. Let's see. It is a really pretty tiny nude. This is gonna be a really pretty compliment. I should have worn this color with this eyelid. I also got a liquid lipstick from Tarte. This is the lip paint. I heard my friend Lily rave about these ones a lot, and this one is on the shade Killing It. She's always talking about how much she loves them because they do not move at all no matter what you do. They swatch a little bit like this. As you can see, it's a little bit a brownish slash burgundy color. It is really soft. I also got this as a sample, and this is not a perfume. This is a little bit of Matisse. Literally, this is so Matisse. So it is not a perfume, and this is by the house Juliet Has a Gun. This is a good one. It has a kind of a floral slash sweet smell. This makes a good fragrance of the summer. You're gonna see the little image of the actual perfume in its full size right here, so that way you can get it yourself out. Next item that we do have is these two MORPHE brushes, because in Canada we carry MORPHE at Sephora, which is really great, and I kind of needed a little bit of brushes to do my eyelids because sometimes it gets a little bit trickier, especially if you don't get the blending brushes properly. This one is the M433. And guess that this one I'm gonna really use it to get in that out the corner because I really needed something like this. And I also got this M441. This is a really crisp brush to really blend everything out. I see a lot of actual beauty bloggers use this one, and I was really excited about it. Moving on, we have a hot item, and this one is the Go Big or Go Home mascara by Kat Von D. I'm really excited to try this because this is a vegan mascara, and a lot of brands say that a lot. There's the same thing with KUSH, which is one of my favorite mascaras, but I do want to give it a whirl, and actually I wanted to put it to the test with another mascara. This one is from Tarte, but I haven't got it yet, and I'm actually gonna do a battle of mascaras really soon, so stay tuned for that. It is really gonna be really fun. And then we got the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow set. So you have first the new Anastasia brow product. I think that this is a gel combined with a pomade inside to make your eyebrows really popping, which is really exciting. And this one is in the shade dark brown along with the brow wiz. As you guys know, it is one of my favorite pencils on the entire world, and I needed a refill of this one, so again this one is on the shade dark brown. I also got the HYDRATING 2% plus HA by The Ordinary, which is this little thingy right here. This is a serum. It cost me like $8.90, and in all honesty, you guys, The Ordinary is one of the best skincare brands that I have ever tried. This is good for dark spots and dullness for your skin. I usually use this at night and I was out of it. This is the second bottle that I purchased of this, and it's one of my favorite products of all time. It has done wonders for my skin, and it is one of those things that you find is cheap, is effective, and you just want to repurchase it again, especially if you're having a little discount with that. Moving on, we do have a palette because I did wanted to treat myself and I wanted a palette. This one is by Makeup Forever. It's the Lex Gold palette. I really found it funny because this one came out with 3 different tutorials, so you can do every single eye look with your eyes, which is really exciting. And it does come with instructions inside. It does come with the little names of the shade, but most importantly, it does come with emplacement of the shades in the palette, which is something that I haven't seen in a while, so I'm really excited to play with this. I'm gonna do a separate video just talking about this palette. We're gonna do a swatch, we're gonna do a wear test, and we're gonna do a full review of this. But if you're curious, already spoiler alert, to see what the color story looks like, it is something like this. Woof! This is the first time I opened this palette actually. It comes with a mirror. It's gonna be amazing! Now, moving on, we do have another gift set, and this one is from the Sephora favorites. This is called the A Candy. I was really excited to see this because it gives me the chance to really try a lot of products and of course to give you more insight about different things. In this kit, it comes 2 of my favorite products that I already tried and I was excited. I did purchase once a full size of one of these products, well, 2 products, but I never got to repurchase them again because I wanted to see what else was on the market that could outperform these products, or if I could ended up going back to these 8 products and stick with them for the rest of my days. Well, not entirely, but you get the point. So the first item that we do have in here is the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Pink Volumizing Mascara, which is this one right here. Actually, I tried this one before. I had it as a sample size of Sephora and it was really a good mascara, but again, I'm reserving that part for another video. I'm thinking about doing a battle of mascaras, so you guys tell me if you're interested in that. And I wanted to see which ones were worth the money and which ones would be a total pass. Next, we do have the Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, which actually I have tried this before. I actually had it full size of this. It was really a good mascara, but then again, I wanted to see something different, to see if something could wow me this time. Next, we have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Fliner Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Actually, I haven't tried this. I'm really excited because a lot of people are raving about this eyeliner and they're like, oh my god, it's the best eyeliner I ever tried. And I'm like, interesting, let's see about that. Then we got the Kat Von D Beauty, the waterproof tattoo liner in Trooper. Actually have the full size of this before. It is a really good eyeliner, but as you guys might know, there is a controversy surrounding this eyeliner, and it is that the mini size of this eyeliner and the full size of it kind of has the same amount of product. Well, it doesn't matter, at least I know I like this one, so it's okay for me. And I know that this is a lot of black eyeliners and a lot of black mascaras, but I'm the kind of girl who really enjoys having a lot of different black eyeliners. I do wear a lot of black on a daily basis, not only on my clothing, but mostly on my eyes. Next, we do have the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Coloring Amethyst. We're gonna see it in the back of my hand. Huh, okay, so it is a really metallic brownish mixed up with a gray, I want to say. This color is really pretty. It's really neutral. It's really natural. It is really to do a quick eyeshadow on the go and moving on with your life. Then we do have the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Whatever Black. I'm really excited because, as I say, I love black pencils and I want to get the best out of the best. Then we have the Marc Jacobs Beauty, the Highliner Gel Eye Crayon in Blacker. Actually, this one is like super expensive, so getting a mini size of this one, yes. And then we do have the Sephora Collection Retractable Waterproof Eyeliner in Black. Again, I was excited for this one because, well, it's a gel eyeliner and it's always good to have a gel eyeliner to just do your waterline. And finally, we do have the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Compact in Half Baked. I never had one of these single shadows before, so let's see how this one goes. Okay, the color seems like a little champagne color, I want to say. Let's see how it swatches. Okay, the texture is really creamy, and when I take it with my finger, it does look a little bit more golden, so let's see. It is right here. It's not something that wowed me from the first time, like when I saw the different swatches from the Juvia's Place palettes, but I mean, it's still a really pretty color. I will use it more like a topper or use it with a little setting spray to just highlight my eyes a little bit more. So that's it. Actually thought that this was going to take a little bit more of time, but no, it didn't, because I tend to talk a lot. If you guys saw when I'm editing my videos, it takes me like days because I end up having like 2.5 hours of footage. Is ridiculous. So I'm happy that I finally ended to actually film a video. So that is it for my VIB Sephora haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and of course to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about the haul, if there's a product that you want me to try, if there is a video that you're willing to see, or just say hi. And yeah, that's it. We'll see each other in the next time. Have a nice one. Bye bye!